wanted to talk a little bit about how the Thrive program helped me overcome my emetophobia. So I've had emetophobia for pretty much as long as I can remember. I can remember being about 5 years old and going to a friend's birthday party and not being able to eat the pizza that they were serving because the last time I'd had pizza, it made me ill. And so I just started avoiding eating different things. Growing up all through my life, I would avoid things like drinking too much. I would only eat vegetarian meals if I was eating out because I didn't trust the meat that was being cooked. I would avoid going on long bus trips or long car rides or anything to do with a boat or a theme park that could trigger my motion sickness. I lived a very limited life, but I felt like I had control over ever being sick, and it sort of built up this belief in my head that I could avoid being sick because I just didn't feel like I could cope with that at all. And I lived that way for about 18 years, and I never got sick. But then when I was about 27, I got a gastro bug for the first time in 18 years, and I was sick. And after that, it triggered worse emetophobia for me. I could barely leave my house. I could barely eat. I was having panic attacks all the time. I was crying all the time because I was so scared, because that belief that I could just avoid ever getting sick had come crumbling down. And yeah, I was so scared, and I didn't know how to, I felt like I couldn't ever cope with getting sick. I felt completely out of control. So I tried to go to the psychologist to see if that would help, and it didn't really seem like they ever understood how to get to the root of my fear. And I tried hypnotherapy, and that didn't really do anything for me either. So after some Googling, I came across the Thrive program, and for the first time it felt like somebody really understood what I was going through, and it gave me a solution to how I could fix this and get my life back. So I started going through the manual just by myself, and while it was great and reading it was a surreal experience, being able to just read this thing and be like, that is me, that is exactly what I'm going through, I still didn't really feel like I was getting the most that I could out of it and not seeing the progress that I wanted to be seeing. So I eventually decided to go through the program with a coach, which was the best decision that I've probably ever made. It changed my life. It really did. I saw so much difference in the things that I was able to do. Nowadays, I don't live in fear anymore. I'm able to leave my house. I don't have panic attacks. I feel more confident. I'm planning a trip to Europe at the end of the year, which, like, I'm basically going by myself. So, like, that's something that I never in a million years would have thought I'd be able to do. I don't have issues around eating different foods. It's just really changed my life. So if you have emetophobia and you're looking for an answer, you're thinking nothing can help, this could be the thing that helps you as well. And I fully recommend it. It will change your life. I would say that you have the power to get over your emetophobia. You just need to believe it. You are the one creating those emetophobic thoughts, those beliefs in you that you can't cope. So if you can create it, you can uncreate it. You just have to believe it. You can do it. Thank you for listening. Thank you to the Thrive program. That's all I have to say. Bye.